Have you ever wondered why your brain keeps you scared, even when you're actually safe? You know you're okay, you know there is no immediate danger, and yet, your body feels tense, your heart starts racing, your mind starts looking for something to worry about. Why does this happen? The answer begins with your brain's alarm system. Your brain is constantly scanning your environment for possible threats, and that's a good thing. It helps you notice danger, avoid risks, and protect yourself. But sometimes, this alarm system can become overly sensitive. Think about a smoke alarm. A good smoke alarm should warn you when there's a real fire, but imagine if it started going off. Every time you made toast, the alarm is real, the noise is real, but there is no fire. Your brain can sometimes work in a similar way. A thought, a sensation, a memory, or even a feeling can trigger your internal alarm, and once the alarm goes off, your body reacts, your heart may beat faster, your muscles may become tense, your breathing may change, and then your mind notices these sensations and starts asking questions. What is wrong with me? What if something bad happens? Why do I feel this way? And now, the fear creates more fear. This is how a cycle can begin. A thought creates fear. Fear creates physical sensations. Those sensations feel threatening, and your brain interprets them as more evidence that something must be wrong, so the alarm becomes even stronger. This can also happen with intrusive thoughts and OCD. You may experience a disturbing thought and then become frightened by the fact that you had it. You may start analyzing it, checking it, seeking reassurance, or trying desperately to make the thought disappear. And for a moment, you may feel relief, but the brain can learn from that reaction. It may start thinking, this must be important, so the thought gets more attention, and what gets more attention can feel more powerful. But here's the important part. You don't have to fight every alarm your brain creates. You don't have to investigate every thought, and you don't have to achieve perfect certainty before you can feel safe. Instead, try something different. When fear appears, pause. Take one slow breath. Notice what is happening in your body. Notice the thought. And instead of immediately reacting, say to yourself, this is a fear response. I don't have to act on it. Then return your attention to what you were doing. You're not trying to prove that nothing bad will ever happen. You're learning that you don't have to respond to every alarm, because the goal isn't to eliminate every uncomfortable feeling. The goal is to change your relationship with fear. You can feel anxious and still continue your day. You can have an intrusive thought without analyzing it. You can feel uncertain without immediately searching for certainty. Your brain may send an alarm, but you don't have to treat every alarm like an emergency. So the next time your brain tells you something is wrong, pause, breathe, notice, and ask yourself, do I need to react, or can I simply allow this feeling to be here? Remember, fear is a powerful signal, but a signal is not always a fact, and sometimes the bravest thing you can do is allow the alarm to be there, without letting it control what you do next. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Mindful OCD for more videos about OCD, intrusive thoughts, anxiety, and mindfulness. And let me know in the comments, have you ever experienced fear even when you knew you were safe? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.